What's going on, you guys? I hope you guys are all having a good day. I just got off work. Just figured I can make you guys a little driving vlog. I haven't done one of these in a minute. But today's video is a topic I think that a lot of people are curious about, but they might be intimidated to ask a YouTuber or you know what I'm saying? Like they're kind of like hesitant on it. Several reasons, you know what I'm saying? But today's topic I'm going to talk about while driving is going to be things you should know when starting a YouTube channel. Okay, I've talked to a lot of you guys on the side. I've talked to whether it's Instagram or other ways of communication. We've talked, man, and you know, I've noticed that people will say, hey man, I want to start a channel, I just don't know how to go about it, or you know, what camera should I have, or there's all sorts of stuff. I don't like the way my voice sounds on camera. There's just different things, you know. And when it all comes down to the end of it, there's like a couple of golden rules you gotta follow when it comes to making a channel. And I think number one is to me is the biggest thing that matters when it comes to making a YouTube channel is number one, be original. Okay, be original and be yourself. Do not have a quote-unquote camera face, you know, or this YouTube persona on YouTube, but then on the other side you're just completely fake or opposite. Just be yourself, be natural. I guarantee you guys, the way I am on camera, I'm pretty much the same way in person. There's no need for me to have this crazy persona and acting like it's not necessary. It's not. Like, you can see through that bullshit in a heartbeat, you know what I'm saying? So be yourself, just be original. And when I say be original, I'm talking content in terms of yourself, being an original person. Be genuine to yourself, okay? You know why? Because being a genuine person is going to carry longer, and people are going to appreciate it more than if you're fake and you're always trying to come up with a way to be different, and different as in not being yourself, if that makes sense. I know that sounds weird, but that's the best way I can explain. Be original, be yourself, okay? Number two, equipment. That's probably the number one question I get for filming. So right off the bat, I get asked a lot, what type of camera do I use? I use a Sony A5100. This is a DSLR camera. I forgot what it stands for. It's made for vlogging. This camera has one of the better ratings for vlogging because it has really good autofocus. You guys see, like when I'm moving around and stuff, it stays locked in on my face. If I bring my finger forward, you see how it zooms in on my finger, and then it's good for vlogging. I didn't always have this camera. Before this, I had a camera called a Nikon B700, which was a entry-level DSLR camera. If you watch some of my older videos from March and back, all of those videos were filmed with that camera. You'll notice the quality difference from when I went from the Nikon to the Sony camera. You know, when it comes to starting out, you do not need an expensive camera. Here's why. Let's say you have all the intent to start YouTubing and you want to make this a passion, a hobby, maybe a full-time career. And you start it, a month goes in, it's not what you think it's going to be. You know what I'm saying? So you stop. Now you just spent $400 or $500. The camera I have is a $500 camera. You just spent $500 on an expensive camera that's probably going to collect dust, and you're going to end up selling it on Marketplace or Craigslist for a quarter, you know, a fraction of what you bought it for. So start off small. Today's cell phones are more than capable of recording videos. I have a Galaxy S8, and you guys have seen some of my videos where my camera died or overheated, and I finished my video using my cell phone. You can do it. You can definitely do it all day. There's nothing wrong with starting off with a camera. Biggest thing is, you know, make sure your quality setting is turned up on the camera. Make sure you get one of those like camera selfie sticks, so that way when you're filming, the camera's not all like this and jiggly, and you know what I'm saying? You want steady, smooth film, okay? And always record horizontally. Don't ever record vertically with holding the camera like this, or the phone like that, because that looks, I don't want to sound mean, but that looks kind of ghetto on YouTube videos. But yeah, equipment. You know, another cheaper alternative, if you are trying to look for a camera, starting off, a GoPro. Get yourself a GoPro Hero 5, a GoPro Hero 6, 7. I personally own a GoPro Hero 5 from 2016, and it records really good. You guys know when some of you know, when I installed my turbo last December, I made some video films of me riding with the turbo, and I had my GoPro on the truck on the outside filming, and the quality was great. Audio, a little hit and miss due to the wind, but in terms of recording, the GoPro is a really good camera to start off with, because you can get a GoPro on Marketplace probably for, I don't know, a GoPro 5, maybe 150 bucks to 100 bucks if you're lucky, and it probably already is going to come with a memory card, maybe a camera mount, just some accessories on it, which is going to save you money. So definitely make sure you're not going out there running around trying to get the most expensive entry-level stuff. Definitely start small. You don't need that. When I started filming, I started with the Nikon because I had made YouTube videos a long time ago previously on my cell phones, and I just didn't want to do that starting off on my new channel or this channel when I first started. So I went and got me a Nikon. I think it was about 300 bucks, and then I put a memory card and then started filming. So that's number 2. Number 3 is establish. People ask, like, I don't like the way I'm nervous in front of the camera. I don't like how I feel. With that, establish the understanding, knowing that that's just the way you sound. Yeah, there ain't no way around it. You can give me your voice like this, or you can make a fake voice, but you can only carry that out for so long. And then when someone meets you in person, they're gonna be looking at you weird, because this happened. I bumped into subscribers. It's gonna happen. They're gonna meet you in person, and they're gonna be like, that's not how you sound. So, you know, just understand, if you don't like the way your voice sounds, you gotta remember, it's probably your first time hearing your voice on camera, getting played back to you. Everybody thinks they sound differently than what they really sound like. I do too. Even today, I still think I sound differently than what I sound on the camera. But that's just the way it is. The biggest key is my message and my video getting across to the viewers. Because if that is happening, then who cares what your voice sounds like? You know what I'm saying? Patrick Mahomes, for those of you that watch football, he's a quarterback for the Kansas City Chiefs. They call him Frogger, but the man can get the message, the plays to his teammates, and he's one of the best quarterbacks in the league currently, right now. So let that go to show. It doesn't matter what you sound like, as long as the message is getting across. You know what I'm saying? Content-wise, I don't know what type of. Someone might say, I don't know what type of content to make. Before you even start a channel, you should have some sort of base foundation on what you want to do. When I started my channel, my thing was, and I said it in my early videos, was that I wanted to make videos that I feel like that everyday person, that everyday Joe can watch my videos and feel like they can be able to attempt the same job. One of my very first videos, I believe, was my CCV delete video and my grid heater delete video. The CCV and grid heater delete are probably one of my top 10 videos on my channel. I have over 130 videos on this channel, and it's within my top 10 videos, so that's impressive. That's definitely something that you want to have established before you start filming, because if you get on camera and you do get people watching your videos and all it is like you're sounding unsure, you're muttering, you're just kind of like not doing nothing, they're not going to want to come back. So I'm not telling you need to have a complete schedule set out and you need to know A to Z, but have some sort of base of what you want your channel to be about, And up to this day, I still stick by what I want my channel to be, and I hope I'm fulfilling it with you guys. I want my channel to be a channel that you guys can come to here and you can see me, a regular person. I'm not an ASC diesel mechanic, and I tell you guys this all the time on Instagram and stuff. I'm not an ASC certified mechanic. I'm not a Cummins tech. I'm just a regular dude that, I'm in the military, yeah, but I go online, I go on Google, I go on YouTube, I read forums online, I ask people. I'm just a regular dude that gets information, and I pass it to you guys to help you, just like with the amp steps, for example. When I was wiring the amp steps, I'm an average user. I felt like amp did a bad job in explaining where the wires needed to go, those purple wires needed to go to wire them up to the truck. So I felt that was something that needed to get pushed out to the people to let them know, hey, this is where the wiring harness is at, because AMP did a horrible job of explaining it with black and white instructions with a picture this big saying, hey, you're going to tap into these wires. And it's and I'm looking in here like, what the hell? You know what I'm saying? So think of it like that. That's how I like to think of it. That's how I like to, push my messages to you guys out there like that. So Another topic in terms of starting a channel or trying to become a YouTuber, that's something that a lot of people don't understand, is this will take time. It takes time to develop a following. It takes time to edit videos. If you're gonna be serious about it and make videos and put them out on a frequent basis, it will take time. The ceramic coat video, it took me 2.5 hours to edit that video for you guys. I was sitting at a computer editing it, and then once I edit it, I have to process it. And my computer's not the fastest computer, so it took me another, I think, maybe an hour 45 to process the video for the ceramic coating. But in the end, it paid off, because the amount of comments I got on that video saying, great job, it looks awesome, awesome video, to me, that's rewarding. That is rewarding. I can't complain about that. And when I see comments like that, it makes me want to keep doing it, you know what I'm saying? So that's just something that you have to understand coming into it, is that if you're expecting to just film and put the video on YouTube, I'm not saying you're not going to do good. I'm not saying that you can't do it. I'm just saying that your videos probably won't get as much scenery as videos that have some sort of editing behind them. My video editing is super basic. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I don't have, you know, there's YouTubers out there, like, perfect example, Ryan Mary, Dirty Match Jack. They do legit editing. Like, I don't do all that. I just film, chop it up a little bit, throw a little music in there, maybe a little couple comments, call it a day. I like to keep it simple, just because I'm not trying to, this is not a full-time job for me. I just do this for fun. So, you know, it is what it is, man. But yes, it will take time, you know, so, and then that's just part of the game. So another thing too, and this is going to kind of lead towards the end, is you need to be frequent. When you're first starting a channel, if you're putting one video up every 3 weeks, once a month, your channel's not going to grow. There's something called the YouTube algorithm, and I challenge you, if you're serious about a channel, look it up on YouTube. YouTube tells you how their algorithm goes into effect and what all they factor into it. In order for your videos to get bumped up in the rating, you need to make frequent videos, so that way YouTube can keep pushing them out to new viewers, and making sure that they're liking the video, because likes is what helps videos out a ton. If you got a good video and it doesn't get a lot of likes, it's not gonna help your scenario, you know. So anyways, you need to be frequent. As a new YouTuber, this is just my opinion, but from what I've seen, this works pretty good. You need to be uploading at least 2 to 3 videos a week. That's just basic YouTubing. If you're not putting at least, really minimum 3 videos a week, quality videos. With that being said, don't just start putting videos out because you're trying to, like, oh, I'm putting videos out, You want to make sure they're still good videos, because you can make a video 7 days a week, but if the video sucks or it doesn't have likes or nobody's watching it, it ain't gonna help. Okay, please know that if you have a brand new channel, unless you're like super famous on Instagram with over 100,000 real followers, and you got a following already on Instagram or somewhere else, Twitter, please know that it will take time to gather a following. Don't expect to put your first video up and get, 5,000 views on it, because, and honestly, it just doesn't work like that. At least for me, it didn't, and a lot of YouTubers I know, it didn't work like that. It takes time. You have to put time into it, and once again, going back to the uploading frequency, if you're not uploading enough, that those videos aren't going to be getting a whole lot of, bumped up rating on them in order to get pushed out to new people. So just know that. In the beginning of it, the first 6 months is the hardest time for new YouTubers, because the views aren't all that high. I mean, when I first started my channel, some of you guys can remember Mike Roberts and Jim Russo, freaking Chad Myers. I got you guys know who you are, man. When I first started the channel, you guys remember, man. Adrian, you're another one. Adrian Amswell. You guys know, man. My videos were getting like, I think I was getting like 100 views on one video in like 4 days. Like, I was excited from that. I was like, dude, 100 people watch this video. Like, that's sick. I like that. Now, I'm blessed enough to where I get more views than that. But at first, it wasn't all that high, and honestly, my views still aren't high. I think I average 2,000 views a video, and we're almost at 10,000 subscribers. And that's another thing too, that is weird, but that's just part of the game. So you subscribers are good, and it's there. Subscribers don't mean you're good, okay? Because here's why. I have almost 10,000 subscribers. I average about 2,000 subscribers a video. That I don't know why. Even if you look at like Dirty Max Jack's channel, he has 100. I think he has like 180, 160,000 subscribers, and I think his videos average maybe 80,000. It doesn't total up. That's what I'm getting at. So if you got 1,000 subscribers, do not expect every single subscriber to watch your video. They just won't. Sometimes, you know, they might watch one video and they really loved it and they subscribe to help you out, and then that's it. Sometimes they might, you know, watch your videos. They'll wait at the end of the month and watch all the videos from the month, or they might wait at the end of the week and then catch up on all the videos. You know, they might treat it like a TV series, you know? It just depends. So don't get discouraged from subscriber counts and views not adding up, okay? So you guys, that's just some of the things I wanted to talk about in this video in terms of being a YouTuber. Hopefully that helps y'all out, for any of you inspiring to be a YouTuber. And if you're thinking about becoming a YouTuber, do it. I'll absolutely freaking do it. I would love to watch more diesel channels on YouTube, seeing fresh new trucks and different people with the way their trucks are set up, how they do their trucks and stuff. I've been in touch with a couple of you guys on Instagram thinking about starting channels. Do it, man. And then also, it doesn't have to be a truck channel. You can do your YouTube channel on whatever you want. Whether, well, it can't be guns, but, you know, anything really. Anything as long as it's within the YouTuber's policy, yada yada. But yeah, you know, you guys, that's how I feel about it. And hopefully this video helped y'all out, like I said earlier. Just because, you know, I don't think it's right that YouTubers try to hold their secret in. And it's not really a secret, it's just work, really. It's just getting out there, putting the time, dedication, and work into wanting to be a good YouTuber and successful somewhat. So, you know, that's my little word of wisdom, word of knowledge from my personal experience. That's how my YouTubing life went. Starting out, I didn't just wake up one day with, you know, 9,000 subscribers or, you know, several hundred videos or over 100 videos. You know, it takes work and time, man. And then what's going to be rewarding for you is when you see people watching your videos and they're commenting and they're saying how awesome of a video it was and this video helped me out. The ones that I love the most are when you guys tell me that this video really helped me out or saved me money. When you guys comment saying that this video saved me a ton of money, like, that really, like, it gets to me a little bit because I feel like I'm helping somebody, you know. And alright, you guys, somehow my camera decided it overheated while I was recording inside my truck with the AC on. So anyways, I don't even know where I left off because it's been about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. But yeah, we were talking about, you know, becoming a YouTuber and all that stuff. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead. I just wanted to make a quick outro. I'm going to go ahead and end this video now. Comment down below. Give me your opinions and thoughts. I would love to hear that. How do you feel about what I talked about starting a channel? I really would love to hear you guys' feedback. And at the end of the day, remember, be yourself, stay real, and just start filming one day. You know what I'm saying? And look forward to seeing some of you guys become YouTube creators, all right? You guys take it easy. Peace out.